test drive the 2010 Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, fog lights, cruise control, multifunctional information center, power windows, tachometer. Come see the car for yourself.